Everyone wants to look younger than their age. Foods that make you look very young are what we call as anti-aging foods. By nourishing ourselves with these superfoods, we can look and feel our best as we age. And this is one of the main causes of aging of the skin. What are such foods? Let us find out in this video. There are no foods that can reverse your wrinkles or natural aging, but there are what we call as superfoods that help protect our skin against what's called as oxidative stress, which is like a damage to the cells. And this is one of the main causes of aging of the skin. What are such foods? Let us find out in this video. Eating foods that are high in antioxidants, healthy fats, and other essential nutrients, which include various minerals, vitamins, helps our skin to stay healthy. Skin is the largest organ in the body, and it is also often the first part of the body that can show problems of inside. So many lotions, creams, serums, procedures like fillers, Botox injections, whatever you might have, it can only make you look younger for a temporary period of time. The long-lasting effect on your skin health to make it look younger and glow will come from what you eat and also the lifestyle. By nourishing ourselves with these superfoods, we can look and feel our best as we age. Let us start with these foods. The first one on the list are berries, any kind of berries, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, blackberries, the gooseberry, amla. They are packed with antioxidants called anthocyanins that help fight inflammation and cell damage. They also improve production of collagen that helps our skin to be firm and youthful. Seeds and nuts, walnuts, almonds, chia seeds, and flax seeds that are packed with healthy fats, antioxidants, and good source of vitamin E that helps repair the skin tissue, retains moisture in the skin, and also protects from the damaging ultraviolet rays, and thereby it also improves the elasticity of the skin. For people who eat non-veg, fish, especially oily or fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, sardines, they are high in omega-3 fatty acids that helps reduce inflammation. It can maintain the skin hydration and elasticity. Avocados are rich in healthy fats. They contain vitamin E and vitamin C along with antioxidants that can help hydrating your skin. It also helps in fighting any inflammation, promotes the collagen production that leads to more younger looking skin. Leafy greens, especially spinach, which is super hydrating and is packed with antioxidants as well as high in vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K and vitamin E. This high level of vitamin content supports collagen production and promotes the skin repair to make us look younger. Sweet potatoes, they contain antioxidant called beta carotene that gets converted to vitamin A, and this particular vitamin protects ultraviolet damage to the skin and helps restore the elasticity of our skin. Red bell peppers. Bell peppers come in different colors, yellow, orange, green. They contain powerful antioxidants called carotenoids that have variety of anti-inflammatory properties, and also they're rich in vitamin C, which is good for collagen production. Citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, Mosambik, grapefruit, high in vitamin C, which is needed for the production of collagen. These citric fruits help brighten the skin, protect against damage from what we call as free radical damage. They reduce the risk of skin getting wrinkles. Tomatoes, the rich color of the tomatoes comes from the antioxidant called lycopene that helps our skin from the sun damage and also improves our skin texture. So incorporating tomatoes as part of our regular diet is beneficial for skin health. When it comes to carbohydrates, instead of white rice or white flour maida, consume oats, quinoa, brown rice or ragi that is rich in fiber, minerals and vitamins. Whole grain foods help maintain stable blood sugars in our body that can have an effect on our skin and also can reduce age-related diseases. Lastly, fermented foods. Skin and our gut are intrinsically linked, so it is highly important to have a good gut health, to have a healthy skin and to look younger. fermented foods that are rich in beneficial bacteria, probiotics, curd, yogurt, kefir, small amount of pickles, kanji, dokla, South Indian idli dosa, all support gut health and better digestion. So incorporating a good mix of all these anti-aging superfoods in our diet can help reduce inflammation, support your overall health, including the gut health, and can give you a youthful skin. It is also important to remember that you have to combine this with good hydration, drinking about 2.5 to 3 liters of water, which is very important for the skin. Exercising at least 30 minutes a day for 5 days in a week. So if you combine all this with the superfoods, what I have mentioned, you will have a fantastic looking skin.